Hey guys, what's up? As you've seen in the thumbnail guys, today we're going to create Beyblade with this thing guys. As you can see, a small plastic container or plastic bottle cap. I mean bottle. And yeah, these are actually used for homeopathic treatment. Achha. So let me just show you that. Here it is guys, as you can see. So let me just take this, okay. Tasty. But yeah, as I've mentioned guys, it's going to be a water Beyblade. Well, actually guys, it's not going to be a Beyblade made of water, but yeah, it's going to be a Beyblade that will have water. Achha. I hope you all understand. Yeah guys, I can use these caps for performance tip, you know, or for the basement of the Beyblade, for the bottom. We just need these plastic containers, nothing else. Let's just quickly make a Beyblade X from on the bottle cap. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot Beyblade X. Here we go. Okay, here we go guys, the prong cuts are almost done. Yeah, it's going to be a Beyblade X water Beyblade. And the shark S Beyblade will swim in that. Just joking. Okay, let's just take out the head of this container. Here we go. Oh, so yeah guys, the upper part is a little bit solid. But yeah, from the bottom guys, as you can see, it's actually very soft plastic. And then we will guys just stick it like this way with hot glue. I don't know guys, this is looking like a tank Beyblade, water tank Beyblade, you know. Wow, not bad guys, not looking that bad. But yeah, pretty much similar to a water tank Beyblade. Wow, almost like Typrio Beyblade type. What? Oh wow guys, now I can also call this Beyblade as a floating Beyblade or a boat Beyblade, because it's actually floating guys, as you can see. It's not actually dipping in the water. Floating Beyblade. Hi guys, suddenly I just noticed something, as you can see. Here it is guys, let me just zoom it a little bit. Wow guys, you can clearly see that blue plastic thing. It's almost looking like a Beyblade guys. We can clearly make a Beyblade with this thing. Here I can see another one, orange or yellow color, as you can see guys, a circular disc. Okay guys, the upper part is done, but now it's time for the bottom part. So yeah, I'm going to use a part from my old broken Beyblade like this, as you can see. And here I have created this long ago guys, almost months ago. It was a gear Beyblade and it's actually available in my channel. Make sure to check it out. I will give the video link in the description box. So let me just quickly remove this plastic part. Okay, and I have got all these gears from my broken fake Beyblade launchers. If you have your fake Beyblade launcher, then you can also make a gear Beyblade like this, which I have created. Oh, wow, that was close. Here we go. We have to stick it very properly, guys. Don't want any mess. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, our bottom part is also done. Now it's time for the performance tip. So here I have another container, plastic container or bottle. So I'm going to use this case, as you can see, this performance tip from this container. Let's go. And very sorry guys, I'm not able to speak that much properly. It's very tough to speak in English while making Beyblades. But still, I try my best to explain as much better I can. So here it is guys, we need this thing guys. I will use this as performance tip. Okay, let's go guys. Oh, fully dipped in hot glue guys. Okay, let's just quickly keep it to dry. And yeah guys, our Bey is almost fully ready. Yeah guys, fully floating Beyblade. Guys, our Beyblade is now fully ready, as you can see. Fully container or water tank Beyblade, as you can see. But yeah, it's not actually now water tank Beyblade, because fully empty, as you can see guys. The tanks are fully empty. But yeah, our Beyblade is fully ready guys. It weighs without water. Oh, only 15 grams. Very lightweighted guys. Very lightweighted. So yeah, this Beyblade will have a gimmick of water, spreading water, you know. Let me just quickly show you that. I will show you the full result or demo. Guys, we have a small issue here, as you can see. So these two containers are fully okay, but this one is a little bit damaged, as you can see. A small crack. So yes, finally I fixed it guys, as you can see. Now it's okay. I just attached another container. So yeah, my one container just wasted. So let's just quickly add water guys. But this time guys, I'm going to add watercolor, I mean colors inside the container. Here you go guys, purple water. Wow. Yes, let's see how much it weighs with water, because without water it was 15 grams. Let's see how much it weighs with water guys. Let's see. Okay, 39, almost 40 grams guys. Let me just show you that. Let's see. It's time for the real truth. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Oh, I think that was a miscount guys. It's not actually worthy for Beyblade battles guys. Fully trash, you know. I just only made this Beyblade for this experiment. Let's see if it works or not. Wow guys, as you can see it's spinning very properly, but yeah, with water it doesn't work that much properly. But let me show you again.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू? मजाक है क्या?
नहीं. Go again. Let's go guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so as you can see guys, it can really spray water, but I think we failed because I really wanted this Beyblade to spray water while spinning, but it's not able to do that. But yes, when the containers are fully empty, as you can see, the Beyblade is able to spin very properly. But yeah, very lightweight guys, as you can see, that's why it's losing stamina very quickly. But at the end, it was very fun to make guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and that's all. Thank you.